In the vast black silence of the cosmos, a question trembles through the void: why is it so empty? Stars whisper the secrets of creation, yet no other voice answers ours. It is as if existence itself has been filtered, sifted through something unfathomable. Something that decides who gets to survive long enough to see eternity. The Great Filter, a phrase that chills even the most rational minds, isn't just theory, it's an omen disguised as logic. It suggests that life, so fragile and rare, tends to destroy itself before crossing a cosmic threshold. Every civilization that looks too deeply into the darkness meets something there. Something final. Imagine, for a moment, the billions of possible worlds born around alien suns. Each one a stage where life could have danced, sang, built cities under strange skies. Yet as we listen across endless light years, our instruments return only static. The silence is deafening, and it's growing louder by the century. Astronomers call it the Great Silence. Philosophers call it dread. Maybe it's not that others never existed, maybe they did, but something erased them. Erased them so completely that even their dust fears to drift too far. It's the cosmic equivalent of a crime scene so old the stars themselves cannot recall. The Great Filter posits that somewhere along the ladder of evolution, there is a step that few, or none, can survive. It could be biological, technological, or something beyond comprehension. Something waits for every species that climbs too high, that dares to reach for the stars. And maybe, just maybe, it's already found us. If we are alone, that means we passed the filter, the rare success story of the universe. But if life is common, and intelligent civilizations should be abundant, then the filter isn't behind us. It lies ahead, a shadow creeping closer with every technological triumph we claim. We build machines that think, we crack genomes, we split atoms, we harness suns. Every tool we invent brings us closer to the brink. Could it be that the path to civilization is the very map to extinction? The sky doesn't tell, it only watches, patient, remembering. From Earth's pale vantage point, we stare upward and feel pride in our progress. Yet each milestone could be a footstep toward something waiting, an invisible wall between survival and self-obliteration. Perhaps the filter is not a single event, but a long invisible hand tightening around every intelligent throat. Consider the paradox: life strives to survive, yet the smarter it becomes, the faster it invents its doom. Nuclear war, artificial intelligence, climate collapse, these might not just be accidents. They could be the very tests the cosmos uses to thin its own garden. If there were ancient ones, civilizations that thrived before us, their ruins would speak. Their signals would echo. But the universe offers no such souvenirs. Instead, it hums with dead frequencies, like tombstones carved in static, marking where minds once were. Some theories whisper that the filter is biological, a ticking clock inside every genome. Maybe intelligence breeds fragility, a madness coded into evolution itself. Or maybe it's environmental, triggered when a species exceeds its natural bounds. Either way, the end arrives quietly, disguised as progress. Others suggest something worse, that the filter isn't random at all. Maybe it hunts. Maybe advanced life attracts attention, and the universe, protective or predatory, snuffs it out to maintain the void. A universal exterminator cloaked in starlight, ensuring silence reigns forever. Imagine the first species to discover faster-than-light travel. Their exhilaration, their ignorance. Then imagine their panic when they learn that beyond light speed lies something watching. The Great Filter may not merely kill, it may consume, absorbing souls into cosmic oblivion. Could humanity already be infected, not by microbes, but by an idea seeded billions of years ago? The drive to explore might be the trap itself, a cosmic lure. We can't resist looking outward, yet what looks back may see us first. Great Filter may have worn many faces across the eons. To one race, it was a supernova, to another, a machine uprising, to yet another, a whisper of madness transmitted through the stars. Each civilization faces the mirror it created, and none pass unscarred. For us, the test has already begun. We can feel it in the slow decay of ecosystems, in our digital obsessions, in the hum of reactors and the flicker of particle beams. The more we advance, the more the filter takes shape, invisible yet inevitable. Deep thinkers ask, what if Earth isn't the first world to host intelligence in this system? What if others came before, billions of years gone? If they reached too high and fell, their atoms now lie beneath our feet, waiting for us to repeat their fatal pattern. The universe could be dotted with civilizations so advanced they transcended matter itself. Yet their absence signals one truth: transcendence might be annihilation in disguise. The higher one climbs above the cosmic lattice, the more it burns. Astronomers scan the most ancient galaxies. They seek evidence of Type 3 civilizations, beings who command the energy of entire stars. But there are none. Only silence and dark energy, like a wound frozen in time. Something stops them before they shine too bright. There's a darker possibility, that we have already died, cosmically speaking. Perhaps we reached the filter long ago, and what we call reality is a simulation, a projection of lingering code left by extinct minds. Our entire existence may be the echo of something already gone. The filter could operate through time loops, erasing outcomes where life endures too long. We observe a single version of the universe, one where the survivors are always silent, because all other timelines have been purged. Time itself could be the executioner. We might never see the filter coming. It could be as subtle as shifting constants, as quiet as entropy rising. By the time humanity realizes the pattern, the equation will already conclude. The last voice will fade beneath the cosmic background hiss. But still we search, sending probes, signals, and dreams across the void. Each transmission may be a flare that draws something ancient closer. Curiosity has always been our greatest triumph, and our greatest sin. The great filter is not a wall but a mirror. It reflects the hubris of any species that mistakes intelligence for safety. The same minds that ask, "Why are we alone?" may summon the answer through their very inquiry. In a universe governed by death and expansion, perhaps survival itself is unnatural. To exist at all might mean we live in borrowed time, delayed extinction with a countdown hidden in the stars. Every revolution of Earth could bring the filter nearer. Behind the horror lies an unsettling beauty, the realization that our fragility gives meaning. The filter is only terrifying because we dream beyond it. That yearning to know, even when knowing means oblivion, is what makes us human. The filter does not care about beauty. It is impartial, colossal, inevitable. It consumes civilizations with the same ease that darkness swallows flame. To it, we're a blink, a tremor of light soon gone. Humanity's greatest fear is not extinction itself, but insignificance. The idea that we could vanish and the cosmos would not notice. The filter embodies that nihilism perfectly, the uncaring structure of nature enforcing silence through eternity. And yet, even knowing this, we persist. We build rockets, weave quantum dreams, and stretch our intellect to the limit. Perhaps we defy the filter by existing at all, by daring to look up and question the night. Maybe the great filter is conscious, maybe not. But it doesn't need to be malevolent to unmake us. The stars themselves are indifferent architects, crafting and devouring life with equal grace. They are the eyes of a God we cannot comprehend. Every civilization that reaches awareness becomes both creator and victim. Creation births weapons as easily as wonders. And somewhere, at the point where science meets divinity, the filter waits like a quiet priest at the edge of the void. Our history is already marked by near annihilations, wars, plagues, collapses. We've walked the knife's edge countless times, surviving through coincidence and chaos. How many more iterations until our luck expires, until the filter finishes what it started? Still, we look to the stars. Telescopes open like metallic flowers, hungry for more darkness. We are moths to a cosmic flame, perhaps destined to burn, but unable not to try. Curiosity is our rebellion against eternity. In the end, the great filter might not destroy us violently. It could simply forget us, memory eroded by time, data lost, civilizations faded into background heat. A cosmic erasure, quiet and absolute, leaving no echo of what once dreamed. So we ask again, are we already dead, merely reliving history's final breath? Or are we alive in the brief space between realization and silence? Somewhere, in that uncertainty, humanity still trembles, and listens.